EnTune running on your vehicle, you need to connect to Bluetooth. So go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone, and then go to the phone screen. Would you like to add a new one? Yes. Search for the name. Should show up down there. Allow. And it looks like we are connected. Our first step in setting up Toyota EnTune is downloading the app. It'll look like that icon there. We'll also run through the full setup process with you upon your delivery. However, if you're in a hurry, we can register your VIN number and then you can finish setting it up at home, or you can visit toyotaowners.com to fully set it up on your own. It's very simple on toyotaowners.com. It'll walk you right through it. You just need your VIN number and that's all. Once you click on the Toyota EnTune app, for your first time, you'll be prompted to make a username and password and you'll log in. It'll be connected to your car automatically, and this is the screen you'll see once it's connected. You'll be able to see all the different apps you can use. You can use your navigation, you can check traffic. If you're on a road trip, you can check the weather. If you're going somewhere else and you need to see what the weather is. You can also use online radio like iHeartRadio, Pandora, or Slacker. If you have accounts with those, it'll hook up right through your phone. You just click it and then you'll be able to play your favorite stations or playlists. You can check Facebook places, you can check Yelp, OpenTable if you're trying to go somewhere like a restaurant or anywhere, need to make a reservation or see someone's reviews. You can even buy movie tickets, or you could check the fuel guide, which is my favorite feature, and see what the fuel prices are that are closest to you. Questions? Don't hesitate to give us a call or stop down to Steet Toyota of Johnstown. Thanks.